Whoopsies. All right, just getting set up over here. Let's put some music on. All right. Let me head back over here for a second. We're gonna jump on a quick live stream with the debt ceiling. What have I seen? Where do I think we're going? And what in the longer term can we do, right? All right, just 2 seconds, bear with me. Just getting some behind the scenes stuff done. How's your day? Are you liking this market? Oh yeah. Volatility is here. This is not the one that I want. Hold on. Did I just lose everyone? Hold on. No, hold on. I'm getting myself all confused here. On the wrong one. There we go. There we go. That's what I want. All right. Almost done here. I was trying to edit the wrong video there for a second. Just get some things going. Boom. All set. There we go. Beautiful. All right. So, hi, Asif. How you doing? So, let's see. Let me get the, hold on. I just did another, whoop. See, I did a live stream over here. I gotta get my screens set up. That's what I have to do. Okay. Everything is looking good. There we go. It's official. We have blown past the 31 trillion debt ceiling, right? What does that mean for the market? All right. So we do have Janet Yellen. Janet Yellen is yelling. And what is she saying? Let me just pull up this quick slide right here. All right. So, let's turn this down. Dear Mr. Speaker, I write you to keep you apprised of the actions the Treasury Department is taking in regards to the debt limit. My letter from last week on Friday, I noted the public law increased the statutory debt limit to a level of 31.381 trillion. And where are we? Did we exceed 31.381? Yeah, we did. Okay, so because of that, the debt issuance suspension period of fundraising money for the U.S. Treasury, the Treasury Department, is suspended. So what does that mean? They are not going to be issuing out new Treasury bills in order to fundraise money, but they're going to use the current money that they have, repositioning stuff to pay debt through June 5th of 2023. So are there any T-bills that expire after that? I didn't do the research yet, but if they did, I would quickly be selling them because they don't have the money to pay it, right? My predecessors have declared debt issuance suspension periods under similar circumstances. With these determinations, the Treasury Department will suspend additional investments of amounts credited to and redeem a portion of the investments held by the Civil Service Retirement and Disability Fund. If I were to be getting paid out from that, I'd be a little scared right now, right? Thankfully, I'm still in the working age. So where do we go? Metals, potentially. Let's look at the stocks to see if you guys have any questions of any stocks you want to check out or anything else like that. Please let me know. You can put it in the chat right now. Oh, you know what? Hey, I was showing you this and I didn't change the screen. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to post it up there right there. Janet Yellen tells Congress, right? Through the 5th. All right. So where do we go, right? Where are we going from here? Well, if you follow my Twitter, right? Let's go and see. On Twitter, I did mention that on the 12th, oh my goodness, did anyone notice this crazy volume spike on the SPY? 42 million at 397.25. Okay, that's up here, 397.25 on the 12th. Are we below that? Yes. I also did a video in regards to these on the 13th. Are you ready for the stock market to crash? Last Friday, when Janet Yellen also sent out that. Oh, here's the link. Look at that. Let's see if I go right here. Let's not play it, but let's do this, copy, pause. Okay, let's do that. I'll put it in the chat where you guys can see it. Sign in. Bear with me. 2 seconds. All right. Paste. There you go. It's in the chat. So where are we going, right? Well, I said this week, Tuesday, I said, you know what? Hey, we're hanging out up here. And this week, 3 years ago, with the pandemic looming, just starting in China, that we tend to come back down. We came down here and then we dropped a bit further, rose into February and then crashed. So what is going to happen to the market? Well, this is a pretty big sell area, right? This is a big sell area for us now. And we're coming back down. We had all this volume down here. I will do a point of control volume. I will do a bricks video. And I will also do there was another one. Bricks, point of control volume, and I forgot what the other one was. So it looks like they've been wanting to sell roughly at this 200 exponential moving average. Are we going to see that we come down below here? Well, this point of control right here at 380.70 is pretty strong. If we go below that, it could get really, really ugly. There was a rumor, I cannot confirm it to be true, right? Let me grab it, that I posted last night from somebody else that posted it. So like I said, I cannot confirm this. But if anybody does know anyone that works at Goldman Sachs, someone from Goldman Sachs just sent me this. That was the 18th. They said they got it yesterday, that the entire institutional sales floor was laid off yesterday. That would have been the 17th. Well, what happened on the 17th? We started to see the sell-off. If the banks, which we're seeing lots of companies laying people off, why are they laying people off? Well, it looks better on their numbers for the quarterly reports. They don't necessarily have the work for them. If the institutional traders are being laid off, where's the money for them to trade? A lot of Goldman Sachs money is made in trading. So why are they being laid off? Again, I cannot verify that tweet. However, it's interesting of the timing of it that the market reversed that day. We had bigger volume yesterday. We are below that volume, right? If we look right here, we're below that major volume from yesterday. So where is our support, right? We could see right here roughly 386.80. If we go below that, we're below this area over here, which was our point of control. So I'd watch for this to come all the way down to the 381, 382 area, in my opinion. We have Janet Yellen talking about the debt ceiling that was exceeded. We aren't able to issue more debt for the US. What is that doing to the dollar? Well, the dollar had a little bit of a rebound today, but if everybody starts to sell the US products, that's going to flood the market. People are not going to want the US dollar, and it's going to drop it. We see that the Qs are also highly affected, right? We hit a point of control from the past over here, and now look at that, it's so funny. we are moving to the downside. Thank you. Thinking about going dark with my hair. What do you guys think? Go dark now that the market's about to go dark? We're following the dark pool activity. There's a lot of darkness. Maybe my hair should go dark too. Bring out my eyes. The Russell 2000 stocks, yeah, we came up, we bounced, and now we're coming back down. The point of control is down here at roughly 173, which is our halt limit area. So I'd watch this to see, are we going to bounce here, right? This is a bit of a longer term area. Should this go down further? All right, let's look at the classics, right? The classics, I call them the classics of the stock market because it's the top 5 that really move the market, right? Let's look at Apple. Where are we on Apple? Well, we're testing a point of control right now. So we're caught between 135.80 and 133.20. Now, you see these numbers right here? These are larger block trades. If you want to learn about them, come to thedarkpools.com and check out the training pit. That is where we teach you how to trade these, right? Timing, everything like that. So we see that this is setting up somewhat as an inverted head and shoulders here. Resistance level, are we going to come back down? If we breach below 132, failed head and shoulders, it's a bearish move. All right, so watch that 132 level, add an alert onto your chart if we continue to the downside. Let's also check out Amazon. Amazon laying off 18,000 starting today, and it is pulling back down, right? We came up, we did test a resistance level over here on our point of control. We tested a larger trade level, and now we're coming back down. Are we going to fill it back down here? Likelihood, yes. If we were to go down below the 82 mark, I'd be careful, right? Maybe we're going to see a reversal around that 85 range. So keep that in mind. All right, let's check out Microsoft. Microsoft also laying off 10,000 people, 6%, I think they said, pulling back down, right? They have earnings coming up. So be cautious on that longer term, but we are hitting this 33 exponential moving average, and it seems like it wants to stay below. We're a little overextended at this point in time. However, we do have a potential gap fill down here to 229.06 if we continue down lower below this 230.74 peak, which we are just going below, right? Let's look at Google. Google is moving to the upside right now, hitting a bit of a resistance over here. We are up above that 33 exponential moving average. Let's pull it out in the longer term. Let's throw a trend line on here. From here to here. Looks like we have a trend line resistance that we would need to break at roughly 94.60. So keep that one on watch. If it breaks out, maybe it's going to break out of the downward trend. Maybe they're bringing it up there to sell off again. All right, and Tesla. Tesla had a flip of point of control recently, so I'd watch. If we close up above 130, potential move up to 160, I might actually buy some. If we break down below this whole box, right? If we go below 105, bye-bye. I'll be buying it at 50, right? That's my maybe 57. So keep those on watch. The stocks that were moving up this morning were the Chinese stocks, XPEV. However, that is continuing to move down. BABA as well. I did mention it. I love this cool little triangle right here. So BABA broke out from this triangle. Let's put it on a 15-minute chart. Whoops, not one, 15. So we had a big break. It squeezed higher, found resistance from yesterday, and it's going sideways. So are we going to see, I love this tool. It's so cool. Maybe, no, but it does look like it's respecting a trend line right here. Came down, broke out from that trend line, tested it, and moved higher. But it is testing the resistance of yesterday's pre-market high. If we break out from there, watch for a move up to 118. All right, YMM has had bigger volume lately. What? All right. So YMM, Full Truck Alliance, Not sure why, but it has had bigger volume, had bigger volume right here, then it dropped, came down to 33 exponential, also a consolidation point over here, and we are rebounding up today. Watch to see if we break out up above $10. If we break out up above $10, likely bigger move, up 11, 12, 13. I would look for the whole dollar moves. All right, let's look at Billy. All right, Billy has broken out of this downward trend. However, it's hanging right here. It's creating 3 selling days in a row. Wick of selling, wick of selling. We're back down below that 200 exponential moving average. Looking for this. If we break below 2380, potential move to the downside there. All right, yeah, let's check out NRSN. All right, are you into the low floats again? ASIF. Let me see, 6.89 million. So caution on this. Here we go, ASIF. Yeah. If this does not break above 256, in my opinion, there's a short potential there to come back down. Just be cautious. It does have less than 8 million, so it is not optionable unless they went through splits and things like that, and then they created options and they should restrict them. But right now, shorting this, in my opinion, is very risky. However, if it were to go up above 260, even better if it goes up above 267, likely a bigger squeeze. So I would personally set an alert above 267 and then look for that to move higher. Let's also check out Netflix. It's on my list today. So Netflix, nice continuation move down, hit the 15 exponential moving average. Look at that, 316.70. Probably was around 317 earlier this morning, came down, touched it, and bought it. We do have earnings tonight after hours, so be careful with this. All right, and let's see what we have with the day tomorrow. We are ending 2 strong sell-off days. Nice reversal pattern here. Bearish engulfing, taking out almost 4 days, right? We took out 3 days. Today, if we take out, oh my goodness, we're already down to 387.60. Look at that. If we go down back below and we come down here, let's see if we break below 382.50. That would be my next potential target there. All right, guys, any other questions? Oh, that's a cool little emoticon, ASIF. Any other questions? Where do you think we are going? You think we're going to go higher? You think that the Treasury, the Congress is going to be able to figure out a bailout plan? Or you think that we are in for a meltdown of the market, the US dollar, and seeing metals rise? What are your thoughts? Put it in the comments below. I'd love to see you every morning at 8:15 for my live stream of my daily watch list. If you'd like to learn more about the dark pools, come over to thedarkpools.com and check out the training pit. As always, carpe profit, seize those profits, one trade at a time.